Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason the stories on top of Instagram may actually be missing. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you see the stories up here, maybe you load up into Instagram and you just can't see the stories on top of your specific feed. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you just haven't scrolled down past enough for your specific page. So in this case, as you can see, it looks like my stories are missing, but they should technically be there. So all you have to do is scroll back up top and you should be able to see the stories there. Now, another big problem that I've personally had with a lot of different, applications, including Instagram, is Instagram being down. So what this means is basically the servers behind Instagram, they're just temporarily down. It's not really a big deal and it happens all the time. So what you'll have to do in this specific case is just to wait it out. Wait until Instagram actually puts their servers back on. A great way to detect if this is actually a big issue or not is to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com that I have here. Tremendous website, I like it a lot. And all you want to do here is scroll down until you see Instagram. Now, as you can see, Instagram is down here and there's down reportings all the time. But as long as there's not a massive spike, meaning there's not like a big spike or big random thing like this on Spectrum or this one on like Steam or whatever, there's like random spikes like that, that technically means that there's probably a problem there. But if it's something like this, that probably means there's no issue. So if that doesn't end up being an issue, the next thing I'd recommend doing is actually updating your Instagram application. So here what you can do is make your way over to your app store like this. You want to click on search. You want to click up here, and all you want to do here is type in Instagram. So type in Instagram just like this, not like that, but Instagram just like that. You want to go and click there. You want to click here and you want to update the Instagram application. Now, majority of the time, I'm going to be honest, this may end up fixing it. If this still doesn't work, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that the people you're following are even posting stories, and or you also want to make sure that the people who are posting, you are following them, because if you don't follow them, their stories are not going to post there. So those are pretty much the main things to keep a lookout for. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.